Today we're going to try out the marble grinding polishing machine I made from instructions off of glassmarble.com. It consists of 3 continuous duty motors with a 1/4 inch pipe adapter on each one of them, on and off switch, mounted to this board with feet and the wiring going underneath. Today we're going to try to grind this marble that is in really bad shape. It is beat up, chipped, cracked, out of round, really in poor condition. I can do marbles from about 1/2 inch up to 2.5 inches with the pipe adapters I have, and using 220 grit aluminum oxide mixed with antifreeze. The chain will pull up the medium as it turns and keeps the marble covered with grit. We'll get it up on the machine here and see what happens. Okay, now I've got the marble in the machine. I used the 1 inch couplers for this size of marble. This marble measures about 1.25 inches in diameter. It's all up, the rubber bands are on the tension. We'll turn it on and see what happens. Going all directions. Everything seems to be working. We'll let this go for approximately an hour and then check on it again. Okay, it's been a little over an hour and I've just taken the marble out to see what's taking place. It's still got a ways to go, but it's now round. Still got some chips and dings, but this marble was really in bad shape when I started. We'll go another 30 minutes and check it again. Just got it back in the machine and we're going to let it go another 30 minutes. More minutes have passed. We're going to check the marble again to see how it's coming along. It's getting there. It's got a bad place there, or another bad place there. A little place there. Needs more grinding. Another 30 minutes have passed and we're going to check the marble out, see how it's coming. One tiny spot there, another 10 or 15 minutes and ought to be good to go. Put her back in the machine. Another 15 minutes have passed. We've now taken the marble out, and it's I see no more cracks or chips or fractures, so we'll take all the fittings off. We're going to take everything in and wash them out good and switch to the 600 grit, the medium grit, for the second polishing, which we'll do for about an hour. Okay, now we've switched grits. All the fittings, the pickup chain and everything was washed off good with soap and water, and we changed to a different cup. We don't want any cross-contamination between the 220 grit and the 600 grit that we're using now. It's also mixed with antifreeze and also using the metal fittings. The final polish will be used, we'll use wood fittings. We'll get into that later, but right now we're going to let this marble grind for about an hour on with the 600 grit. Okay, now we're on the final polish. We're using the polishing compound mixed with water, and we're using wood fittings instead of the metal. We'll let this run for about an hour, and we should have a nice marble. We'll check on it later. Okay, I left it in the machine for 1 hour in the white polishing compound, and the marble is done. It turned out to be a very nice marble. It's now perfectly round, no nicks, no fractures. It just turned out to be a very nice marble.